Oh God, may Gent also continue to rest in peace. Big shout out to the legend Sasota. No, Sasota give us jam for over 20 years, back to back. Every single year, there's a hit song. There's a hit song. I remember when the release of this song actually fall out. It was more like the pride of the girls. So that if you say, oh, they're on the big side,
the thick girls.
Yeah, the thick girls. They were so happy.
Yeah,
they were so happy.
Even me when they too thick that time, so I did they claim
big shout out to the family, the wife, and the children when Sultan leave behind. Baba God will continue to protect and shield them and also provide for them. I believe say the estate when leave behind they properly manage. You get me?
Baba gonna go fit tell us.
The estate. No, when I mean estate, I mean the whole, because as a musician, all this music will continue to generate
they manage and well. That's why.
Yeah,
that's why when they do the anniversary of in 1 year, they release the album. The one when you finished before, when they walk on before you finish. You know, now somebody we don't. You know, say that in Naija Ninja's label, now him and him brother get them. Baba D they involved, so they get structure and everything. So even as in they prepare to drop that album that time, I see under the Naija Ninjas, and for Baba D go know about the whole plan. That's why they easy to complete the work and then release the whole thing and all that. And a part of the things people they talk say, no, as long as you see they are alive, try as much as possible to do what you feel do to touch people's lives, create your legacy, so that even when you don't go,
these people go use free mind, they work with you, and
then people, the fans out there go still get something to tell they remember you for. Say, see all the quality things where you drop before you go, because they only remember you for two things: the problem where you solve and the one where you create. So if you there for life, the cause problem happen. I go say, thank God that troublemaker don't go. But if they make people happy, they go always remember.
Everybody meets her sometimes. I'm not sure say anybody meets her or had an encounter with him when you go to say, Sasota do this, Sasota do that. I'm not sure. On different occasions when I don't meet her, even when I not really know her. As I just shake her, he just they pretend to know me, like as a bros. Now the first time I meet him, he say, "Know me now? Why they relate with you like this? You get me?" So he be that kind of friendly person. Big shout out to your family.
You know, say get on to where Baba Gode. Sorry, Mr. God, we just talk now. We say talk.
No,
say
call him Baba Gode now.
No, he say no one time.
I don't want Baba Gode. They make me feel like I don't old. I never old, please.
Oh, because you dey die your baby. No, because you die your baby. God, we know your age. You behave well.
Not be because at the time I baby. I never
old now. You go soon reach that age.
I never old now.
Me when I reach that, he go be double.
Whether it be double or not, you go reach that age. One day, you go reach that age.
I never old. I see young.
You know, say you don't say as long as you create something before you go, you find solution.
Yeah, people go remember.
So
you.
I just remember your grandmother actually again.
Okay. No.
You get some things when you say give me a my grandma.
No.
I'm not. Let's say 10 years. I don't expect her say if do that kind of thing to the grandma.
No. I tell her they torment my
grandmother.
My grandmother when she died alive. You know, say they born me only two grandparents I see. The two grandfathers don't die before they born me. You know, so my two grandmothers, my mama own and my papa own. You both call them maternal and paternal. My mama own sweet. So when she died, the year 2000 and 2001, I cry. I just school that day. People they wonder why they cry now. 78-year-old woman died. And I say, no matter, because you know that kind of grandmother. If she enter house, me and my papa they quarrel. You know all those times when I see the young, where I failed my WAEC, I never get admission. So papa go when you come out from work, na course from beginning. Your mates are in school. You are opening your wide mouth to eat my food. You understand? If you give any small instruction, maybe you don't make mistake. That's why you are here. You are useless. Your mates are getting admission and in school. You are here. You understand? So all those kind of quarrel. If my grandmother enter my mama enter house, see my papa, they quarrel. You go they shout my papa. Why they have my grandpikin? Leave him. You go. Caution my popsy. If we went out and say maybe popsy won't beat me or he go settle the situation, she go come carry me later, go inside room. Go there ask me say, what thing you do? What when I come to land, you come tell me where I did wrong. Come tell me how I go tell you go say sorry later. You know she go, but she go defend me. Sometimes my papa go don't threaten say she be your grandmother will go. But she go don't threaten and say if you beat my grandpikin, If he report to me, I'll deal with you know that kind of stuff. The other one, my papa, mama. If that one enter inside house soon, now they call it. Go say, I never tell you now. Useless speaking, you born now. You know that's what they do. Because I don't tell you say now useless speaking, you born. See, so as even stand, they follow him papa they talk. That one, if she enter house, maybe I come out, I come back, meet her for house, I greet her.
You know,
he go say why my 2 knees no touch the ground. Come make I call your content in fact. Then I go say who are they greet with Oyibo? Make her speak in Shekhi. I say I'll speak. I go say now say that they speak. I say mama that the one that when they teach me I go no now. They born us for Lagos. Even the Shekhi I understand that she not good believe. She they always find complaint. If some of my other cousins come where her other children, my uncle children. Yeah. If they come, one was senior, maybe you know, as young children they misbehave, in those they go won't correct them. She go pick quarrel. Go tell my papa, I don't know what the children did to him. Always correcting, beating them. He's wicked. He's this. She go their house in the night. She go backyard, go they check the rope. Go come and say, who get those clothes waiting for rope? And so go say, so you they leave your clothes for night by 11 p.m. You want me wish where and go? She go say, so in the morning, I say never time. Go say one leave until morning. Wish go down where and go their meeting, come back. When you come back, that's why you know they get sense.
Over the Uber
I be hate na difficult word, but it is to say I hate that woman. So when I come up from school one time, she know where she gets stroke. So. In fact, the space they create for our room, the boys' room, they can't vacate us come out for the rooms, give her the room so she get nanny they take care of her. You know, if get stroke, no feel move and all. So our wardrobe see there, my clothes and my brother. So if I go to room, I go say you. Now your wickedness put you like this now. You know, she gets stroke, but her eyes they move. You gonna move your eyes. You gonna move. I look up, look down. I go say, I don't say they hear it at the top. Your wickedness now put you. I was saying the other grandmama even senior you. She reached 78 till she die. She no get stroke. See you. All those wings where you say they wear person cloth. When you now then they do you this. I go they torment her. I go to my papa say. Your mama a wicked woman. I know they sorry for my papa go say, you are mad. I say, sometimes I go just open door, stand by the door. She never see me, I go just look at. Maybe she just move her head. I go say, I didn't watch you now. Wicked woman. I say because they say what they did because if you elderly person that make I for slap this on face. You understand? I go say I'll call the advisor. Instead of you to step up, see, when they calm down for me, you go they put fire. See you, all those your children now when you say make they beat the children. Now my papa see they take care of you. Now my room they can't see give you. You know, I torment that woman. So when she die, I don't even bother. So she don't die. That woman now see be problem for us up to now. I'm gonna tell you why. He get one land, one house. He get one my papa grandfather house with my papa house with there for worry. Yeah. Now the position where that house, you know where that place where former where shell worry day before that area. Yeah. You know the quality of the area.
Yeah, where did you know?
So I tell my papa say, look, this one will always disturb us some money all the time. Most said that your property. Yeah. Because you don't do your 70s. May you take the drive bigger car. They barely do man here now. But I say as long as that woman there, you cannot say it. I say, I'm telling you now, when you die, we'll dig a come out. We'll sell that land. So if you don't want to enjoy yourself now with that money, we go sell the land. We don't tell you. We go dig a go cemetery. We said because people don't want to buy land where house there. Yeah. I say even in debt, this woman see the whole money what we supposed to get. You know about they go sell that land for that place. Meanwhile, the other good grandmother and her cemetery they bury that one. This one they gotta go put for house. House where people go don't sell, share the money. Because none of us plan to go where we go live. All of us there, Nigeria abroad. Nobody they plan to go where we go settle down. So about tell my mom say, how does your house be for worry?
May I shock you? If it be say that your grandmother knows say una will do this kind of thing,
my papa too love the woman. Now I make. You understand? So I mean I don't take my 40s now. My brother, my sister, my other sister. Okay, you know that's all of us done the oath. Now say look. My popsi say, how many times you see I don't go worry, go check that your house. That house, money is wasting there.
Yeah,
so when we said this thing, you know, all this one why they use my money, they pay for my driver. Give her.
You don't tell.
This woman,
yeah.
she don't die early 2000 now.
You don't think now.
That land and that imagine land where they near shell that shell.
How much be that?
Early 2000 can't reach now. My partner buy that land in the 90s. Oh.
Wow.
Come build that house where some tenants they live. Come bury and now up till now. My party they collect rent from all those people hand. We say look, both everybody said this team, we share the money. But we don't tell us that when you try.
We go run ourselves.
We will give you
your brother's sister day.
We don't I don't tell that. I don't agree say because that land is not useful to anybody. We are not doing anything there. We are not planning to go to worry. So we'll sell her one time.
Now need to fair come on her body.
We don't tell her already. Yeah. We go remove the body.
Typical worry people.
We will remove her. I don't understand. Let the dead bury the dead. Naima will talk. I don't understand how person go bury one person, mama, from one land. The family they roast. When I sell land like 50 million, one person body dead there, they hold the 50 million. I don't understand.
Now wait till you do the woman. They pay you back.
You know, so
no. Be like person will go sell land.
He pay me.
The day when we say he tell me, say they go me and say, see your wickedness. I say, they talk to your grandmother like that.
I think they are.
I not do my wicked.
You get few people when we say that their experience with their great grandmom not really funny. Yeah, especially our grandmom, their ways, their belief they different. First of all, the way they operate they totally different. So most time when they would try correct you, it be like wickedness on top of your body.
That one, in fact, the other grandmama was I like that my maternal mother. That one even give all of us pet name.
Yeah.
If she just enter and see you, Nana pet name, she go call and they sing the name. You know how it is sweet. Yeah. If you go visit her, sometimes holiday she go say my God spend holiday, then she go sew cloth for you, pamper you. And see they say that her house. So my uncle's going to come. If any elderly person come, you know, go let them come. Now, so when I see the way my parents they spoil my children, now they use spoil in quotes. Yeah. And they remember how that woman treats me. My children, they go my parents' house go do holiday. My papa go carry all of them and sleep for a room on top in bed. But they go say no, this one sleep here, this one sleep. You understand? Papa all of them. Sometimes when they come, my wife go say, your parents don't spoil these children now. You want me then, if I see them go, they go say, want me then go spoil for 2 weeks, come back. Because grandparents, you know how they do.
I don't feel like saying now most maternal, like grandparents for maternal, they always they sweet, loving and sweet.
But
my grandmother
too.
My grandmother too, very very sweet. The only thing where they cause fights now this marriage I never married. I not married because they torment me. She not torment me because she see me. She say ole.
What you think?
Wait I think which one ole.
Why you need to only?
She said because dudu wa mi wa dudu wa e wa pupa wa e wa oko mukan.
What if that? This is a validation for what I was saying. Me and your grandmom.
That's the only problem I get. I don't. The moment you say "oh, Larry," I say "bye bye."
You don't get like a grandmom na 90 something now.
Yeah.
Now you should wait for.
Now you know.
She won't carry your pikin.
I know.
Her great grand pikin.
But your TV, I don't want to stay one place.
So you said don't tell me to TV.
You. Now today I talk. You be only. Okay. They're not getting security big. As early as all these my children is right now, they allow them to go school by themselves. Now, if there is zebra crossing, the moment motor children stay for the zebra crossing, they go stop. Now, when the children cross to the other end, they go stop. Come bend down head for
Thank
the driver.
Come thank the driver.
Come thank the driver.
Respectfully.
So because of that, they don't need to tell red light. Don't need to show this driver. They instantly stop because they program to operate that way. Now, when they reach school by themselves, once they don't finish, they don't get janitor, they don't get person when they clean.
Now then they clean themselves.
Once they don't play finish, now they go clean.
What they do by themselves.
Clean their school.
Yeah.
Now when they go house, close time reach for school, they go stop for road. They go buy pork meat. Don't say they eat pork meat. These children at young age, they'll kind of go house. So their mama plus them go come cook the food. All of them go gather chop food. You see the responsibility when they give children
at a young age.
Okay, when you say young age, at what age exactly?
I'm talking about
primary school, for 4, 5, 6.
Yes. They say it's an offense for parents to carry a pikin go drop for school.
Yeah.
Wow.
Say that they allow them they go because no insecurity.
Yes, now because if in those days when we say
we go school by ourselves
because this kind of insecurity no did that.
When their party host World Cup.
2002 with Korea.
So when they host World Cup, guess what? They not employ anybody
to clean.
Guess who they clean the stadium after match?
Our fans they clean them.
They are citizens.
So
because they don't they program from small pikin to keep the environment clean. So once they all finish, as every other fans they go back all dirty everywhere, all of them. Instead of them to go out, they go.
In fact, for that World Cup, if I remember correctly, because now Japanese fans, the moment Japan play their match finish, all those people don't go buy drink for cup, buy pizza, buy popcorn, buy whatever, maybe buy fish, chips, whatever they eat. You know, after halftime, people will go restaurants, go buy things, going to eat. They can't notice say Japanese fans go clean the stand where they dey. So because of that, some other countries fans come begin do the same thing. Because they can't announce and say Japanese fans anywhere where they go, any match they go watch where Japan play finish, they go clean everywhere. When they come out, the place go be like they sparkling new like.
They don't
when
teach
they
go watch man now adult. But the program then when they be small begin to do that same thing like that.
Exactly.
My brother, the zebra crossing where they for Nigeria, they go ask you, are you a zebra? Why must they stop for? They go now. The first question they go ask you.
We never even know. Sometimes drivers never even know the meaning of zebra.
They go they shout for you, Seth.
They go tell you. They go even tell you na tom this thing.
As they go, as they drive,
as
they drive, they call you one part because you go wine and say you won't die, Abi.
If you see Maduna, you go run.
Idiots, you won't buy. Nothing they talk.
So I think
even countries don't be Japan. Even for Dubai, the moment they see somebody, they don't say you won't cross zebra crossing. They go stop for you.
Yeah.
If you don't cross, somebody's the worker come from that side. We won't come cross. The driver see the person. He go see wait when that person walk carry his cross before they go. I did Dubai for like almost 2 weeks. I don't hear horn one day.
You see,
they're not blow on any. Why you want blow on?
They don't blow any horn. But for Nigeria, yeah, try them. No jam me.
But one else they did for Ibadan. When I see the Ibadan, if you on, you go collect penalty.
They pay. Yeah,
they pay for the estate.
Yes, for that estate. If you on, if they told now where they come, they don't put out for their gates already. They say now old aged people they there, so they don't want noise at all.
Naturally, we dey unruly. We know they coordinated. We like to break the law. That is why. That is why now only Nigeria now you go see say we get traffic light. Police go there to enforce the traffic light.
Enforce the traffic light.
Because you know they are our nature today like that responsible like that. Say when they obey and all those stuff. Just say that recently that we don't find out say cameras they snap people motor if you pass.
Just now if you beat traffic light.
But you know say some people still never know, Sha.
Some people never know. They still never know. They get gbese when they wait for them. When you want to use your paper, you go know say.
Now you go know say your gbese you don't reach 200k.
I remember when I did school that time, the public school where I go then I remember they used to tell us say make we buy broom.
Yeah, you go buy broom and all those things.
Broom.
Your school they resume now. Bring broom, cutlass, different things.
Yes, when we were small.
To an extent, we be the do these things.
A lot of people don't change.
The
country don't change. Corruption don't come.
And besides that, some parents too they take them as they take them.
Say they suffer.
Say why they suffer their children when they can just pay for someone that can do the job.
I clear for primary school.
Now we dey clear the grass by ourselves. They sweep the place.
When I don't reach from certain age, my grandmom they carry me go farm and I dey help am clear. And then where you for learn how to use your class? I say na school because we dey get roster for class on who they sweep, who they clean.
Well, even the toilet too. The class where they watch toilet too.
Yes, they get all of those stuff for school, and we do them with church mind well.
The parents too they are among it because some of them
we just miss them.
Because in the name of say we don't advance. Nobody want.
You advance past Japan right now.
Nobody want make anybody.
Japan are one of the most technologically driven countries.
Now the nobody want make anybody correct in Peking again or doing it. And I tell you, say when are they command in those days in the 90s? If you just see our AO come outside like this, you did somewhere. You can see everybody go scatter like when you on lights where cockroach scatter. We go run hide our head. You understand? No, they don't want you to make it outside after a break. So maybe some of my classmates will go our association will go back to the school say they even follow commandant worker. Children they play ball now commandant body. When I go say be careful When I go the same command where we go. In fact, when they don't do hand like this, you are in trouble. When they do like this, what did they do for outside? The beating and everything. Not them punish you for command. They give me full field. The land when they give me clear.
Yeah.
It reach almost full football field grass. Now my classmates can go sign in cutlass to help me clear all those things. Because the level of discipline that time you know if you keep your hair now. All those things. But go command when we go. Should I go their graduation? See different swag, different hairstyle, different kind of uniform. You get where you go see your uniform in those days. They go say button too much. They will cut and come out. These days, everything done. So in the name of say we won't move with the trend. All those discipline, all those things, people don't they too loose. Everybody can do what they like.
I think they're right. I think this is now where we get problem. I think we focus we place focus on some irrelevant things as discipline.
Yeah.
So when time reach for every human being to move forward, we just abandon totally both the irrelevant and the relevant things. I don't know if you get what I'm saying right now. So I feel say because when you talk just now, I notice some of the things when some parents don't really want to make it happen to their children. You get me? Like what you talk when you say they go beat you nonsense, Japan, they not they touch them, but they immanent. Now just say we not do some certain things right at some certain point.
At a certain point.
You get me? You get some things when we say we grow up to consider, this is not supposed to happen. Instead of us to separate the one we're not supposed to do and the one we're supposed to do, we just pack everything, just put that for one.
And another thing, the kind of leadership we then get, they see themselves as Japanese. I be Japanese. My children are Japanese. The future of this country depends on how we bring these children up. For Nigeria, I be Nigerian. I be Igbo.
I be
Christian.
I be Fulani.
I be Christian.
I
be Muslim.
So, I don't believe in God too.
If Igbo man correct Hausa man pikin, he go vex. If Hausa man correct Yoruba man pikin, he go vex. Okay, when you want to put person for opposition, we'll pick somebody from our tribe. You understand? We'll do another. If you do this thing now, if you make education strong, we know say this part of the country for north, we need the two they go school. And the south will benefit. So don't let them
everything.
Now that kind of thing, then put us where we do so.
Somebody talk say that tower of Zerubbabel we say confusion. She na tower
of Babel.
Tower of Babel.
No
be Zerubbabel.
Na Nigerians.
Why they say that Nigeria?
No, you say most of the people
why they always attribute anything where they bad to Nigeria?
Because nobody get language visions. It can't be like saying our people go want to build that tower of Babel.
Over 300 or something.
Languages for only one country. Only one country. That make good day where we dey so.
Go check Google how many countries go over 300 or something.
That's why police go catch criminal. They don't lock them up. These 4 people now them go rob that bank the other day. No, they don't put them. They don't beat them. They do one thing. Then with the policeman, maybe the policeman, me and B now, 2 of us come for Edo State. So we can't speak. We can't speak language. So how your wife now? Remember when they speak and the other criminal just here can't speak language from there. We say now what type of guy you? Or don't begin to think how we take remove him.
How we fit replace him with somebody else?
Because for our mind, we first be Edo State people. That will be Nigerians. So now our brother make it no go. He's a criminal. He's a Nigerian. He's supposed to punish and the way he go punish any other person. We know they think like that. Like when people does where we do so. The only part of this country where we know they really think whether the person come from one part of the country or not. Now for sports.
And music too.
And music. Other than that, entertainment and sports.
Low-key music and movie. The segregation.
For sports, we know they see really because nobody really cares. Anybody.
I know they mention Twitter. Nigerian Twitter.
Nigeria. But
they try to for Twitter Nigeria. They fight each other.
People they fear Twitter Nigeria. They fear. You drag me, but no drag me on top Twitter. You don't hear. I don't hear somebody talk.
The advantage now say for Twitter Nigeria now say we fit fight ourselves. Yoruba fit fight Igbo fit fight Edo.
But when Ghanaian not come fight.
Me another country.
No, we dey united for that one.
United, bow. You go remember
this. Defend our jollof rice for Twitter.
You go remember this girl from.
All of us dey cook jollof rice.
You go remember this girl from Big Brother that Messi said, Diane. Where talks say because of Mauli. This now her words. Say because of this Ghanaian jollof rice, I go betray my country.
I don't remember that one.
She talk him. She even tweet him. She said because of him, say she go betray her own country.
You remember this man when they call it one sport guy when they question Toby among some time when she take
Ben Johnson.
One black guy.
What in Nigeria as well?
They come for
Michael Johnson. Michael Johnson. Everybody come for him now.
Even though this is not what.
Even though what he talk point day.
They don't want hear.
Nobody want to say because I'm Nigerian. I make it talk like that.
Sometimes when they united to fight other people, but when it comes to us, we still fight between ourselves.
So this example where I give now, say we they united to fight as a people against another country. Okay, but this girl, she said she will betray Nigeria because I they give example now. If we did this united, then why somebody go come out talk say I will betray my own country?
That is why, but you know say you get a particular time where you say the country not be like this. Even if it they very low. Like when we did primary school, secondary school, none of us they remember which tribe.
Which tribe, which church,
now recently religion. all these things start in the.
It can't be like say the more you grow,
I think early 2000.
the more you become an adult,
the mid 90s, late 90s. Now this division come too much. Now our person dead here, no be our person. All those things come begin
why the conversation be like that? At that time, say politics though they gather more momentum. You get me? So all these few individuals for up use as two to take achieve their personal agenda. So when you come, you be Muslim ticket. I don't want it. You jump like we see the happen right now.
And that's the way fuel that narrative. Now when Babangida cancelled that 93 election. Because they say because now Hausa person, now Yoruba person win, he cancel that. They say another. That's why they also get to compensate Yoruba. The company showing assisting government. Still now say Hausa military man see come out Abacha. So at that point the division on the day say this part one route, this one make this one route.
The first radio station where I work in, I experienced that thing. They say because I know the indigene, they no fit give me work. Indigene of Plateau State, they no fit give me. They no fit give me work. Now we didn't talk. They fight me to a point where we say I just make up my mind. I know they go again. I know they do again.
I think few individuals who are not enlightened, who are uneducated, who are not well cultured, they some high position when see they contribute to all these things.
And there on top the original NaijaFM 102.7 we radio.